Hi, I am Jessie Jane Christie, and this is my program for understanding the simple functionality of linked list. Linked list has one node. Actually, the node has two parts. One is data part, and another is the starting address of the next node. Also, it has one head. The head is the initial reference to the next node. So we should not change the head. So the linked list has many operations, that is insertion, deletion and searching and reverse. Also insertion also includes insertion at end, insertion at beginning and insertion in middle. So let's see how this program works. So for this to be achieved, I have defined a structure with the name node. That means a node is created. That means inside the node I have declared, as I told, node has two things. One is data and the other is address. So this data is in integer type, and another thing is a pointer variable which holds the address of the So it should be in the node data type itself. That means it is the self-referential pointer variable. And also I have declared a head pointer and a monkey pointer in the structure. So let's see, inside the main function I have given the user all these choices. So if I have put all these choices in switch case, so that if the user presses 1, it will come to case 1. If he presses 2, it will come to case 2. Like that it will work. So first we will see insert at beginning. So if the user presses 1, it will come to insert at beginning. So here is that function, insert at beginning. Here this is the creation of a new node. For inserting any node, we have to create one new node. For this condition is achieved. So then we have to enter the data. This is stored in temp pointer to data. So we have to link that node, new node, to that head. So this condition, this line is helpful for that, and we have to change that temporary node into a header node. Then only we can insert at the beginning, then only it will become the head. Then next one is insert at the end. For this we also have created a new node, and I ask the user to enter the data. This will be stored by here. And so if we insert at the last node address will point to null. So for that this condition is used. So if the condition if the head is equal to null, the temp should be the header value. Otherwise here I use this monkey pointer. This monkey pointer has the job to traverse all the elements to find out which is the last element, to insert that our new node in at the last. So for that monkey pointer is used. Here, while monkey pointer is not, the monkey next is not equal to null, that means we have to traverse. So this is used for traverse, and if we find the last one, we have to link our node there. So here monkey point to next is equal to temp, that is our new node. So here this is our insert at middle. So here in the main function I have asked the user to if we want to insert an element in the middle, we have to ask the user before which element we have to insert. So this enter the previous value of the value to be inserted, and this value is passed to this function. So here I get it through the variable key. Here also I created a new node, and this thing I have to use the monkey pointer to search where is the number which was given by the user. So before that only we can able to insert that our new node. So this monkey pointer is helpful for that. After the monkey pointer search found at the key that was given by the user, it will ask the data, and it will link that node to that. It will link the node in between the two nodes. So for the if the key is not found, it will show key is not found. Then next thing is deletion. Here also I ask the user in the main function to enter the value, so that value comes here, and we have to create a new node. And if if only one value is there, we have used this thing to delete that temp. We have to delete that node. Otherwise, if there are more than that this monkey to next not is equal to null, that means if there is if head is not the if there is more than one element, this condition is used to delete that node. And here display node, this condition is used to display all the node. And searching, here we have to search the elements and we have to tell which position that element present. For that we have to enter that value which I want to search. So that monkey pointer is used to traverse that element. So the monkey pointer checks whether the value given by the where is the value given by the user. So it will check, and if this condition is true, it will show in which position the value is found. Otherwise, it shows the value is not in the list. And in reverse, I have declared two pointer variable. One is the head and also the tail. That means the tail should become first and the head should come last. For that, here I use this condition, and using all these conditions I have printed all the reversing array, reversing linked list. So that's all. If we press 8, then the program will end. Otherwise it will show press the correct choice. So let's see how this works. So first I insert the value in the beginning, so I press 1. I give 12, so it will be printed first 12, and I want to insert at the last some elements, so I press 2. I give 23, that means it will insert at the last 23 will be. I want to insert this some 53 inside the in between this 12 and 23. For that I have given 3, and enter the previous value. The previous value is 12, so I give 12, and I have given 53 to be inserted. Now we will display, so I press 5, so it will 12, 53, like 12, 53, 23. And next thing is we will search for the element, so I give 6. Now enter the value to search, I give 53, so it shows that your value is found at position 2, it is right. And we have to reverse that function, so I give 7, press enter, and now I display this 5. So 23, 53, 12. First in the 12, 53, 23. Now after reversing this linked list, it will become 23, 53, 12. So I have to delete something, so I press 4. So I want to delete 53, so I give 53. Now I display this thing, so it will display 23 and 12. The 53 is gone, so I have to exit. So this is my program for understanding the simple functionality of linked list. Linked list has many advantages over stack and queue, many advantages over that array. Like we can insert any element inside that in between two nodes. In array we can't do that. And also we need not initialize the value of we need not initialize the size. It will work until the memory will full. So these are the advantages of linked list. These are the operations. So thank you for watching this video.